Hello and welcome back to another Masterminds video. Today will be a video on how rockets work, part 5 on solid rocket boosters or motors, depending on what side they are. We will start with the overview of solid rocket motors, what are they, and then the types of solid rocket motors, there's many types, and cores, because yes, there are many types of cores of these solid rocket motors, but as always, make sure to subscribe and share the video. So now onto the video. What is a solid rocket motor? Well, a solid rocket motor is a motor where it burns solid fuel. This is often called solid rocket booster or SRB. Solid rocket motors are for model rockets and are qualified as SRM or solid rocket motor. So what are the different types of core and booster? Well, there are many different types. They include in-burner, internal-external burn, the other internal burning tube, segmented tube, rods and tubes, star, wagon wheel, dendrite, dog bone, slotted tube, and finally multi-perforated. So yeah, kind of a lot, but some of the end ones are kind of close together. So now, what do they mean? Well, they each have different functions for different thrusts and different efficiencies. The first one, or end burner, is the least common, but the most common on model rocket motors. These burn from end to end, unlike others which burn from the middle of the core to the edges. The wider the motor, the more powerful, and the more it burns at a time. The longer the tube, longer it burns for. And then the others with a single core, the longer is, the more powerful it is, and the wider it is, the longer it will burn for. Then the next, internal-external, has a freestanding motor inside, as well as a traditional core of it. Then the first normal one is an internal burn, which is a standard that most SRBs like the SLS and Space Shuttles first stage use. Okay, so now segmented tube. This is where the motor is split into segments, like how the SLS and Space Shuttle SRBs are put together. They are basically cartridges that are filled up with solid rocket fuel and then put together right before launch. Then now the others are just different types and shapes to help with efficiency. They include rod and tube, star, wagon wheel, dendrite, dog bone, slotted tube. They have different surface area and different ways of burning. And the final type of solid rocket booster is multi-perforated grains, which are by the name multi-cores, and it's for better and even possibly maybe even worse. I don't know why you would want to make it worse. These also have multiple different types of designs, and anyways, make sure to subscribe and share to the video. We make 3 videos a week, so make sure to check those out. Bye.